Please subscribe my channel, like and share, and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. So what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button below. Cylinder, it has two identical flat ends that are circular or elliptical and one curved side. Like it has two, you can see the circular, the top and the base are same. It is not a prism. Usually people get confused the cylinder with the prism, but it is not a prism because prism has a polygon base. Polygon means which has some flat sides, flat corners, but it has not flat corner, it has curved corners, so that's why it's not a prism. So cylinder has two identical flat ends, one on the top, one on the bottom, and one curve. This is the curved portion. The example of a cylinder is a circular bottle or a pen which you use for writing. These are the few examples. If I open a cylinder, what will I get? Like the net of the cylinder. So this is the net of cylinder. Now you can see this is the first part, one. This is the curved part is the second part, and this is the third part. Now you might get surprised that how can we get the rectangle with a curved part? But if you take a rectangle and you fold it, you will see that it's making a cylinder. So that's why the curved part of the cylinder is actually a rectangle. So cylinder is comprised of three shapes, two circles and one rectangle. Now the volume and the surface area of a cylinder. So the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h, where pi r square is actually the base area. This is pi r square, a circle, and multiply by the height. This height, whole height. This is the height. This is the height of the cylinder, and from center to here we have a radius. So we have a radius and a height in the cylinder. So this is the radius and this is the height of the cylinder to find the volume. Now for the surface area, two portion in this. One is the curved part, curved surface area, which is 2 pi rh, and one we have a base area, which is 2 pi r square. Base area is 2 pi r square, and why it is 2 pi r square? Because one is in the bottom, this one, and one is in the top, this one, like this. So the total surface area will be 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square, and if we take 2 pi r as common, then h plus r will be left. So both formulas you can use, either the first one or the second one, because I have just taken the common to make it slightly easier. So sometimes you will find that this formula is also used, so do not get confused at that time that why we have learned this formula, from where this formula comes. So I have told you both the formulas. Now there is one more condition. Sometimes we have a open cylinder, like a open cube or open cuboid. So then the total surface area slightly change. If we have an open cylinder, then the surface area will be 2 pi rh, which is the curved part. So curved part remains same, and plus pi r square. Now I'm not using 2 here because it's an open cylinder, so the top will be missing. So top is a circular, so 1 pi r square will be missing. In this way, you can write the formula for the open cylinder. Now I'll solve few questions so you understand it clearly. Now we have the cylinder. We have the radius 7 centimeter, so we'll write r is equals to 7 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. Now we need to find, the question is find volume and total surface area. Whenever they say surface area or total surface area, it's same thing, because they are, whenever they say surface area, if they want to ask about the curved surface area only, then we need to use this formula only. I'll use the formula for the volume. So volume will be equals to pi r square h. So volume will be equals to pi is let's say the pi is 22/7. This is also given. So I'm using the same value, 22/7 into radius is 7 and square multiplied by height is 10. So volume will be finally 22/7 into 7 into 7 into 10. 7 square means 7 multiplied by 7. Now I can reduce 7 with 7 and I'll simply multiply the rest of the values. So 22 into 7 is 154, 154 into 10 is 1540. So this is how we can find the volume. Now to write the surface area, I will use 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So the surface area will be, you can either put values directly here or you can take common and then simplify. I'll do it like this. So 2 into 22 upon 7 multiply by radius is 7 and multiply by 10 and plus 2 pi r square, so 2 into 22 upon 7 and multiply by radius is 7, so 7 square. I'm writing 7 into 7. Despite of 7 square, I'm writing 7 2 times. So now I'll simplify it. I'll cancel 7 with 7 here. So the surface area will be 4440. So 7 and 7 will be cancelled. So 2 into 22 into 7, 308. So the surface area will be 748 centimeter square. So this is how to find the volume and surface area of cylinder easily. I hope this video is really helpful for you. Please give it a like, subscribe my channel, and if you have already subscribed, make sure to press the bell icon, share it with your friend family so others may benefit also. Take care. Allah Hafiz.